Alright, me I gonna say something about Beyonce and the church where she buy. Me I gonna make on hear what go on, but here what happen now. Me just I gonna say this. Just I gonna say this. You see all these pop star I try to fly up in a God face, you see? Yeah. Them I try to fly up in a God face. So you see them really and truly I work with Satan because what? They want to make it look like there is no God, but me can tell you that there is a God. Watch a clip inside when I go show you.
Beyonce bot is back in the headlines. And from the looks of it, this bad-built bot has bought a church in New Orleans, Louisiana. Wow! It says in an article that this bad-built bot purchased the church for $850,000. And she's proud of it. This Beyonce bot, aka Sasha Fierce, has something up her sleeve in a voodoo city of New Orleans. I'm guessing that Beyonce bot will be preaching the gospel to the masses. Only thing that this bad-built bot is doing is following her father Alistair Crowley and Anton Levy. And she's proud of it. This church she really is buying is a church. But she will turn it into the Church of Satan, where you will see a statue in there like this one. Beyonce is a created robot walking around with the intent to brainwash people at that church. Wow! This is the same Beyonce that throws up goat hand gestures all day. I can guarantee you some of these clowns will be attending this church. But this church has a deeper meaning than what people think. When people attend this church, they will immediately come demon-possessed and foaming at the mouth. Wow! Why you think this bot has many names? They call it the Queen Bee and Sasha Fierce. This is just a walking demon in a robot body. It wouldn't surprise me that Beyonce bot is the Antichrist. And if that is, more souls will be going to hell if they attend the Church of Satan. Goat Lucy's son Jay-Z is all down with this crap. And he loves it. Look at this picture of this church. Look like something out of a scary movie. Wow! This could be the end for humanity. And on that note, Beyonce, the walking demon in a robot at a power level of 90,000, will return to hell after its robot mechanics shut down as a foot soldier for Goat Lucy. Wow! Get this demon in a robot body Super Saiyan 2 Beyonce out of here. Ha 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 ha. Like, comment and subscribe and turn on notifications.
So, yes, if you want to sell, say, another me I tell you. Alright, so, I want to say, these people are trying to fly up in a God face. Like, them want look like, say, boy, there is not no God. But me can tell a man this, there is a God. No matter what man I go through, there is a God. So what I say? So all these pop stars we are trying to deceive the people them. And I buy our church to make it look like them a part of it. Them is not part of us. That's what I say. Them is not part of us. Them buy the church, they give Satan a higher power. Yeah, because Satan give them a higher power. So they want to try to outrun the creator, which them can't win. This is the time where people must open their ears, as he said, the signs of the times is showing. Yeah. Me can tell a man this. Me not rich and me not have it, but me have a little can go and live pan. And me satisfied with what me have. And for those of you who crave to get rich, I can tell you this. It's going to be a bitter ending for you. Because when I go through all kind of things to get rich. All kind of things we only never want to do. Well, me again telling you this. Me not sell nothing to get nothing. I rather dead poor. and go back to God same way. You see me? Yeah, I made that straight. Me nah do nothing to get nothing. Me satisfied with what me have. Me nah fight nobody for what them have or nothing. But me only show you how these people is trying to fly up in God's face. They don't care. You see me? Them act like say there is no God. You see me? When you are by a church now, you have to play your own music in and worship Satan. Almighty I go crumble a church, man. Fire, lightning and thunderball for the church. You see what I say? Straight. Beyonce, I'm not ready for that move there. Yeah. A matter of fact, I'm going to stop playing Beyonce in my yard. Straight. No evil.